Now, people, let me get in something here. Sunday, Kayla J, I think the little girl name is Kayla J, was at Donna's house. She's 8 now. Now, I don't have a problem who want to use Donna or who Donna want to let use her to be for content, but a blogger that have problem when her child and granddaughter now. Why are you using your platform for views and content to exploit a 8-year-old child that is legally blind and you don't want it happen to your granddaughter? When will this stop? When will this stop? What happened there? When will this stop? I keep saying this. Why would Donna use people to get money when the world is giving? When the world is willing to give Donna. If Donna come on her platform and say she want lunch money, but snip her finger, Donna can get over $1,000 with ease. So make it make sense. Why only people wicked and devious so? Why make you no bitter so? When I go on evil and when you don't talk so, why when I use the 8-year-old baby to make content? I really come out, you know. I really Tina, I really come out because I have some question here for Tina. And when I really come out, I have some question for Tina. Tina, come here. I know some come and you want you look 1 and you look 2 cupcake themselves because I say look like the travel thing now work good for you. But I go say this openly. You see you, I'm not take up for Marcia, but I go talk the truth. I want you come out, I want you come right out. And cause when I don't talk, I know a lot of people now go really like it, but the truth, I go talk. I want you come out and send when you ever support Marcia with buying a piece of sheet. When I say a sheet or a piece of curtain from her now. Marcia give you a $50 tip, even though not from Marcia, but when winter pay it was on behalf of Marcia. And a $400 cake will never look good, we don't even worth $40. Because you say on your life, so you sell Marcia want £30 cake. And I want to know if I steal you use and make the cake for £30. No, you might in the cake maybe value £30. I think the cake value £30, but you say £30 the cake way, but remember we see the cake. Anyway, you never support Marcia. You never support Marcia. Oh, the way Marcia go on, people blogger I got talk because I said when Marcia did hear whether Marcia want to have secret for people, yes or no. When Marcia did hear anything, Marcia always come out and Marcia talk because me have things to women and talk. Now you are the head of hit. You are the one that may bring up the enemy. You never share up Marcia page. You tell people to go over there, you go on Marcia live because no one to tear down Donna. No shit hit the bottom. And Marcia meet for hard times. Which hard time is everybody, but it's the way Marcia come out and Marcia cost me the worst way. So me give me pick me there. Marcia cost the latest. Marcia look down for everybody and Marcia say she a big deal. It's not about because anybody can meet up on hard time, but the truth is the truth. Now you take up your big nasty stinking pit latrine and come out yesterday and make me tell you something. Me tell you say you have to leave the people them alone with them brand. You want to come out here because so you take up your stagnant self and you make Marcia stagnant. Because when Marcia did good with the plank of them, Marcia did not sell her sheet and her something and a go on. So when you are going to come out now, let me tell you what a friend you that do like you. You say you make 6 figure here and I say so. But if my friend into trouble, See him like how you come out and beg Bunny for Lico Timmy and Johnny. You could have come out. Let me tell you where you should have come out you come do. Cause me tell you no say no now no have no sense. Let me tell you where you should have come out come do. You should have come out and come beg for money and go on like for you are begging for. Cause everybody have them platform for beg. And then you sell it to Marcia or cash up it to Marcia. That's what friends do. You coming out here, come thing. Nobody never asks Marcia business. Nobody never business with Marcia business. It's the way Marcia go on become a sure no say. Anyhow, you don't you did hear when you did hear about my son. You sit down and you rejoice at every other little thing you rejoice. So you go on. Come here, you look a big nasty stinking one be a Tina. You look a nasty stinking dirty Tina, you make Marcia stagnant because they say, you when Marcia did about Marcia did a selling sheet and him something them. So when time you go come talk, make sure say you know what you have to say, because you say first of all you need to do. Let me tell you what you need to start by do. Start by giving back Marcia the change from the cake. Because you rob Marcia big time, because that cake do not work. You never did forget no tip. You never forget no tip, and you with your burden and start down Marcia, because say when Marcia did there, Marcia did that do our business. And you as a woman we have a daughter we sick with. This is the thing, when Marcia rang, cause all when me come out and me ask it, just like with Miss Richie, the live when Marcia do about Miss Princess, was Marcia in problem at that time? Nobody no fast in a Marcia business more than Marcia. Everybody now go stay like me more than Marcia do things out here, and the people them a get back time to clap Marcia, and it is normal. Marcia used to her clapping because when Marcia ready, Marcia clap people too. So me don't know where you come out here, come and make it look like say nobody put out Marcia, or nobody put Marcia in a problem. Marcia in a Marcia predicament where it can happen to anybody. It can happen to anybody. You are the cause of it, you are the ringleader, you are the cause of it, because so when you go back and look upon it, and I will forever say this, look upon you and Lorraine. What cause you and Lorraine for an argument is nothing about no Michelle Bradshaw voice note. Nothing about no Michelle Bradshaw voice note. It's because Lorraine make 2 cake and bake and I want nobody bake. You out here ball out say you're the best bake until no me want to see a cake, me no want to see no Google cake, me want to see you come with what Lorraine call it sugar and butter. And sugar and butter and Lorraine call it sweet no backside. But want to see you come with your sugar and butter and start mix and make one cake from scratch. Me no want to see no cupcake, me no want to see no imitation. Remember say me put out the picture where you did have the pudding, the sweet potato pudding pack like the cake pack mix packed in the government kitchen, you know, remember, you know. You come out now, come and go on. Nobody never asks curly business. You need to give back curly our change from the cake. And if you didn't mean curly no good, you say you make 6 figures a year, you're doing a blooming progressive business. Cash up curly want $5,000. Zell curly want $5,000. You don't even have to make you know. Show your appreciation. No care how small it is. Help Curly, go and go help Curly, go get your name pan a place, Curly. That's how people help people. Go and get your name pan a place, Curly, you help. Go beg money for your platform like how you beg if you look at Timmy and Johnny and just send it, go get Curly. Curly, now if you know if you beg money for. How you blighted Curly life out here because bad to bad. Bad to bad. And when Curly got join and go lick head with you because look on the lady over Florida. As much as she and Dana in their same thing. Look on she. Bad to bad, he have a little platform and him begging little plane ticket. And if him have nothing and they still will give her. And the team what Curly got team up with you make Curly stagnant. Go help Curly and that you need for talk about. You coming out here that can help and that can do nothing. Me never say 500, me say 5,000. 5,000 she forgive Curly. Cause she make 6 figure. She for help her friend, she's a business woman. Cause bad to bad. Bad to bad. Me know say. Me know say if Curly and Dana. Me know say Dana would have even go in them pocket and send him a good piece of change, or Dana would have sent her plank of them go give her. Because at the end of the day, me tell her something. Me don't know for nobody else, but me know for me, the whole way a woman. I'm telling you already, you have social media and you have the real life. When me say that something, I say social media should have been. When something happen, me say bad to bad, me and the person you not talk about condolence, happy birthday and so. Because at the end of the day, we don't know one another, we don't cross path with nobody, we don't know nothing about nobody. We don't know we one another, because definitely me know nobody don't know nothing about me. Nobody me make nobody a one blogger per year. Know when my pick me and then daddy their name and his lady V. Nobody else don't know. Uno might know one, uno might know me 17-year-old, but the other two them name nobody don't know it because me make sure I keep my pitney them up because I say nobody pan here no you can't trust nobody. Cause yeah, some people pan here them don't have no limit, them don't know what to keep. Cause them take everything for content. But our friend Muskie and give her the time. Tina take up her pit latrine and open it up and pollute up the internet with thing there. And when them, let me tell her something with Tina. She come out here and when anytime, let me tell her something. You see me, that's why nobody not gonna like me. Me will forever say this Curly did wrong about the life what she do with Miss Richie. Curly did wrong about the life what she do with Miss Princess. Cause first of all, Curly don't know what in a Curly got the road there. And the whole way a woman and nobody me telling you already how me sick. Nobody arty one little pain in my back. Get up and find one of my foot them well when me tell hey me frightened. And that was it. Me never buy Chambos is a shop. Me no want nobody will only defend me for put me down past social media and make me look bad because they say you take a come out here and I come a go on and I come a this. You should have Zell or cash up Curly 5 star, put $5,000 on Curly account. You ever buy 2 sheets from Curly yet, Dranko? You ever support Curly with? Where you ever support Curly with? Because Tina, you know so you don't like none of these people. You only like when time them a cuss and a drag Christian and progressive people. Where you ever buy 2 curtain and 2 sheets from Curly? You support Curly with nothing? But you rob winter $450 through Curly. To sell Curly 1 dirty cake and 2 cupcake for $450. Look where you take $450. You give Curly our change. Give Curly, you don't you call everybody thief and scam, and you're the biggest one. It start and it finishing. And you give the woman our change, drunk. Money Tina want for thief. Money Tina want for go down a Montgomery Plaza because Tina broke. Money Tina want for thief about $300 more. $300 more. If which one want $300 more? Money Tina look for thief. Tina collect up the people them money and go Panama where they have to buy ingredients and the people them take. Make Tina move her teeth in backside and go away. Curly must can work out a way. Curly is an American citizen. Make we see why Curly must can work out a way. She must can work out a way, and she says she can stay her job sometime. But all the things you as a big woman, you're supposed to have your your roof over your head. She will work out a way because me talk about Curly. A Tina where I push down Curly more in the hole. Because why you never come out and help Curly? Why you not beg one money for your platform? You have a business, so you must have money. You have a business, you must have money. Why you don't give Curly a money? Why you not give Curly one big money? Put a big money on Curly cash up and call it a day. That you need to talk about. Go and put a big money on Curly cash up or Curly Zell, because Curly have it right that she's a businesswoman. And don't in a no argument. Just cash up it or Zell Curly it and go on about your business. If you don't even want Curly know see you make CJ because you pick them must have Zell and cash up, make them cash up it and go on about your business. Because maybe Curly no want to because you know you just do it and just go along about your business. Cash up Curly want $5,000. Or call her and tell her how good your credit is. Call Curly and say, Curly, get to an apartment and make me come down because you know they're far from each other. The whole under there in New York. And you just go there and go sign feet and put Curly in the apartment. How about that? How about that? That's all you need to help Curly. Since Curly not have no credit and Curly name can't do nothing, just tell Curly to look for an apartment and then you just go because you're a prominent businesswoman. You understand? And you make 6 figures here. Who could have a property and I make 6 figures here? You would have been the first choice to get it for rent. And you just sign it and just give Curly. You know, say, well, if Curly can't pay, that's what friends are for. And you know, say, if Curly can't pay it, you know, say, you back up Curly. You pay 3 months rent and say, Curly come. Next month you pay the rent. So Curly will always Curly now get back up. And that you fi do. I saw you fi help Curly. Now come out here, come back, drunker. Now come out here, come use your thinking mouth. Cause you have no substance and no use to Curly. You make all of these people stagnant and blighted. You are the cause of it. Cause you enjoy it when them a cuss than I know them battle wall. In a fire, now them in a problem. You is a business woman, so you must have good credit, because you is a business woman with bad credit. You is no business woman. You say you is a business woman, you build a business fast track. Go and call Curly and ask Curly if Curly see an apartment, and you must have good credit as a business woman. And you go and you sign that you fi do, and you pay 3 months rent for Curly. And then Curly now I go look the other rent, so Curly can't back up her rent because you are paying them 3 month rent, and Curly are pay rent every month on that, so Curly will never back up. Curly will never be back up on rent in the name of God. And that you need to do. Go and go help Curly. Cause Donna could have helped Curly. Donna could have much as she lay at Jamaica and she live on the gully side. She could have helped Curly. And ask me, I ask you. She and her planka then, cause she could have pay 1 month out her pocket, and her planka them go and fling down the other 2 months. She could have helped Curly. If she and Curly did good, Curly would have no problem, cause she could have take out 1 month out her pocket. Said to her daughter, say fling that over there, so. You know, so when Curly they come out for $200, you know, so much Dana fling here, not 500. Yeah. And our planka them would have come and donate up for the money, and she would have get the 3 months with ease. She could have helped her. So oh why you can't help her? You out here talk. You can't help her? Curly must expect that people are gonna talk. Curly must, because I say me not somebody like this, because me look on life, me not go come out and drag certain things me not do. But Curly must expect so how she drag the latest at Jamaica, and she drag. Curly must expect so them are gonna drag her back. And that's just the truth. And everybody are gonna stay like me where we say, oh, that a foolishness and a life and something. And we say, oh God, man, no do that and something. And everybody, yeah, them are going to drag them back. Curly must expect that them are going to drag her back. And Curly used to her dragging. Curly used to fear her dragging. She used to fear her dragging. Because if Curly never used to it and Curly never love it, nobody never have to come. If the woman even come past social media, all Curly do, Curly no answer. And Curly carry her business come put right out here. Because when Curly did that talk, bad to bad Queen did it in the comment section and I tell her don't talk. But Curly do not. Curly is like me. Curly have the mind like a child. Curly don't know when to let go, and Curly don't know when to ignore. And this is why it is very sad. What you think me not have problem too? Me have one brother, me health problem, me have problem too. Curly don't know when to take a break. Curly, this is phone style. I feel like to come in on the internet and spend 5 hours, 6 hours. This coming like when time on a drink, like when time on have problem, I feel like so on a drink or go and need substance. On a problem will never leave. And you Tina must know, because many nights you ball like a cow. Me say people, if I tell you no some things about nasty Tina, I hold them in back. You see, when Tina daughter did come out pan Tina, with the money, me say Tina weep. Tina moan, Tina come out pan live and Tina weep. The amount of weep Tina weep and moan. I doubt if Tina daughter and Tina father pass off Tina. No will say Tina can. Tina weep out all. Hey, where Tina can weep. Tina can hey, when me tell you no people, and I no little dibby balling in no nose not and bugo weeping and moaning last day balling, no man. Me tell you something, you know. Tina can ball. Tina, when you as much as you see him out here, they get trouble. You see when time him go in at night time. Me nah ask you no people. I tell you. Serious something me I tell you no, me de pass part 20 na the weep and a moan, you know. Serious weep and moaning, you know. Nose not and buggle weep and moaning, you know. When the roll is tall up yonder, weep and moaning, me I tell you about, you know. Oh, blessings Queen Shaza. So all you see him out here, they go along with himself. I open up in pit latrine and I dust up himself and I use it and a wheeling head like him and dirty wine. When night time come and any disgrace take him out, you see all when time they go over Canada, they got trouble him. Hey, yeah, listen, me couldn't listen to the bawling. When me did go over Canada, they got touch him. When it time you see him there and weep and moan, all you see that dirty woman there out here get trouble. But then the balling in the social media now make me ball some. Me say, when the roll is calling up yonder balling, me I telling about, you know, nose not and bugo serious balling, you know. See, hey, when Tina go for ball at night time, you see all when in the teeth in father money, me say Tina, hey, all no see Tina out here, so me don't know how you come defend Curly, and when you done defend Curly, you gone ball. When me grab Tina out here, you know, man, I'm sorry, me sorry for him, you know. When me grab Tina out here, certain time, you know, and grab all him with the amount of Tina yai water with the pan me, you know. I see me de pass spot when Tina the ball, you know. How? So me don't know how you come out here, come argue for Curly. And you love ball. What make you who lick you? What you out here about? What you got for phone a ball for? Where you the ball for? You out here look trouble. And when you done, you got ball. Where you a ball for? A people success you a ball over? Boy, if you say she not start ball yet, me hear the ball in me, I tell her say, me just take time ease up because of seminar. I tell you no lie. Nobody social media. Hey, if you hear Tina ball, I don't know why they don't like. Hey, I see the passport. The passport. And what over here they try to tax it on me and my kids. May I tell you, if you not hear Tina ball, man. If you not hear Tina ball, hey, when Tina go for ball, me say, you would never believe, say, you would never believe you come out here, come twang and look trouble. And when you're ball in a patwa. Then I saw Tina ball. I saw Tina ball. I saw Tina ball. Serious ball in Tina ball, man. Me I tell you for the ear Tina ball, man. I'm sorry for Tina. So me no know how you come out here, come and go on like you miss stuff. And when you done, you go ball. Me not doing anything. It's all Tina Ball, and me I repeat. Tina Ball serious balling, nose not bugo weeping in morning when the roll is called up yonder. Hallelujah, the strife is over. I funeral, hey, Tina, let me tell you what you feel, because you always you need to take money and go funeral go ball. May I tell you? And hey, may I tell you? You need to take money and go funeral go ball because Tina can ball. Meet me don't know if Tina, but me can tell her Tina can weep. I weep in the morning. Tina ball seriously, you know. Me said Tina ball serious, man, a serious ball. Tina ball. Tina get me I tell you, emotionally serious ball in Tina ball. Tina the ball, man, no dibby ball. Tina ball and no dibby ball. When Tina the ball, me I tell you no, when Tina a ball, a serious ball in Tina ball. Alright, it's alright. It's alright. I can do one blow something. A serious ball in Tina go on with. When Tina ball and no look stabbing. How Tina, if you ever hear Tina ball out here, you know sorry for Tina one day if you come past social media come ball, make then you all your ball, you hear? We're not laugh about any day. Let me tell you something. Tina can ball. She can ball. Tina can ball. A condolence ball in Tina ball, man. Serious condolence ball in Tina ball. So me don't know how you love ball and you are come out here come defend Curly. You need to sell and cash up Curly or tell Curly to look for your apartment and you are going to sign for it. I'm going to tell you already, when you are going to sign as a businesswoman, just pay 3 months rent, 2 month deposit, 1 month. And then you make Curly pay the rent. And in the meantime, if Curly can't pay the rent, you back up Curly, you pay a part of the rent for Curly. Them time that you can't talk to nobody because I tell you, you make Curly in this predicament. Because when Curly, if Curly never go lick head with you and you draw down Curly and make the girl stagnant, Curly could have still there and could have still go on and tell him one cheater. You take Curly $450 for cake. And the cake don't look good, the cake don't taste good because at the end of the day Curly end up dash for the cake. At the end of the day Curly end up dash for the cake and Curly don't dash for food. So you need to give back Curly our change. From start by giving back Curly our change. Because Tina, you know, first of all, the $50 tip you need to give back that because you don't deserve no tip. And me know, you know, and God knows that that cake is not £30. And those that cake don't worth $400 with them little dirty cupcake. Southside mattress, Tina come here. You out here contact. What make the whole of your man them have to come from Southside? Then Tina, I wear the little dirty Rasta boy where you take CJ and gay too. Where you tell like Panama and say CJ, see that man is a wicked. That's why you have to ball. That because you can't find CJ and that where the little dirty Rasta boy do that, him have to run down and watch you live and get deep and he can't go back in country. Where the little Rasta boy do come out here come chat a window, I think can't go back out south. Then the wall then done come. So you grind out the wall as your Southside mattress, man. You're not dancehall mattress. You like South man, them are what you like. Oh, nobody else out of South now. Why? That's why you not have no man. Come here, Tina. Come here. How where the boy do make the boy have to down and watch they hide? Winter you go down there, should they take one nice straw in a year and strangle you. Because if you send home the man, I just send him home in Kufio. I went Kufio for you left not to drive them a gun. And one of them tie up in a foot and in tumble down. One of them tie up in a man foot and the man tumble down and the man get up and Kufio. I make the because you are in your bad man in just Kufio. I don't support woman abuse, but they say Craig Kufio and you calling the police. Why Craig have to run away and done what sauce? Tina you like sauce. Your bitch your that nickname is sauce. You know what that thing you saucy? All of them man there. You ever Kufio? Madana go the boat ride go Kufio for rap. Madana kept me out of the boat ride and Kufio and turn you all white and a white red. Why Tina I be sorry for you they ever Kufio? Then Craig, I want to know why Craig Kufio? And they said Dan used to Kufio. That's been around here, Tina. No bother with him. No bother with and this time yeah. No go there cause them man they will Kufio. And if them Kufio, like how you have pay plastic and you the leak out. Now make them leak out the liquor silicone you love you because no people want money no they go fix it. A tan single missus tan single. Don't make them Kufio because they always are Kufio. So Tina, let me ask you something now. Come here. Come here. You no plan to go get somewhere to make CJ and you no live decent in a one room. CJ you no like room door. You're traumatized because you did that. You know one can close your bedroom door. You know have bed. You know have room door. You can close your room door and CJ close stream room door. You know want live like a comfortable, you know want one little kitchen where you can bake your little cake them in a little, you know bake from home cake, you can do like a baking from home where the shit sent now go up on the cake. You no plan for do that, Tina, you no plan for graduate, no time for out of the studio. No, I'm not serious level, Tina, come here, you no plan for graduate, no time for out of the studio. Una go make Tina run again because I come out here contact me there listen to Tina ball. Una not think that I may never call on me listen Tina love ball but Tina come here. The whole of your man then come from south side. You don't have no ambitious, you don't have no ambition. Nothing about you. Not that thing about you when you done your contact about who love criminal, the whole of your man there. What Craig do make Craig have to done a watch the hide. And why Craig did Kufio and he must Kufio hard you call in ice pan him. In Kufio hard. Oh God. So Tina you never cuff him back. Tina, then time you not have no plastic in here, you know. So when in Kufio you should have cuff him back and you call the cops and tell them that he meeting you. I hope you cuff him back in a Tina. But yeah, if she didn't could have come, you never cuff her back. You make the woman bust up here and dry up on the floor. You damn idiot you. When they cuff you, you fake like a shallow man. When man cuff you fake cuff him back and you call the cops and tell them that he meeting you. You don't know, you never know say that you do Tina. I hope you not make the boy only cuff you and you call the cops. I hope you cuff him back. Boy, you Tina, I can't sorry for you. I know you come out here and do make come out here and talk about Curly. You only put down Curly more than a problem. Go rent one make Curly tell you about one place in New York and you just drop in your van. Make sure you pay that and lock it off by you, Tina. That's them don't lock it off by you. Tina, you got umbrella all night down at Montgomery Plaza. What do you? And you drink and drunk and you forget to pay one of your bill and you want $300. Oh, shit, Tina, so you got sometime. Tina, you have to pay your bill them a night time before you, a month time before you go out. You hear? Leave Montgomery Plaza alone. Montgomery Plaza now move, but you will surely get evicted. Them will surely turn off the car and them will surely turn off the water. Cause all along you walk up and down in a dance hall and a run up and down and just a fly up and no come out of it. Blessings, King. Me say, King, you ball a night time too. You're weeping that morning, you know. Because I say you ball a night time too. Are you baking? If in case 1 month, because I say, you Jill come out strong. Because me have to fill you in with the galang, you know. Jill come out strong. Glad you come. And Jill come out and Jill they defend. But at the end of the day, if Curly was by herself, and Jill make Curly stagnant. So when me I say no, as Jill make 6 figure and Jill is a friend of Curly, Jill come out and I walk up her shit pit. What Jill need to do is Jill can, first of all, Jill supposed to can cash up Curly with $5,000 with either Zelle or it. Help her. Or the best thing was Jill for do, because Jill is a businesswoman with 6 figure, prominent business, progressive business. Make Curly look one apartment and then Jill jump in her van, make sure she pay feet, that's enough to lock it off for her. And then she go to the apartment and she signed for the apartment. That's what friends are for. And she pay 3 months rent. And Curly continue paying from that because Jill make it look like we put Curly in the problem. We not put Curly in the problem. Curly always out here clap. So when people get the chance, I'm going to clap Curly. And Jill supposed to know that because Jill supposed to know, say, if anything do she, we are going to clap back because the way Jill are going like, say, Jill are the best baker. Until now, me I wait for see Jill come up with her sugar and her butter and start mix up and make a cake from scratch. And me can't see Jill do it. So Jill out here, Jill. Then when Jill done, Jill a go ball tonight, you know. Jill a go ball tonight and Jill wants to scam $300 again. Because they say look like Jill forget to pay a bill because they did have umbrella night down at Montgomery Plaza. So me I talk to Jill, could be there for make Tina know if you know so it go because Tina things say. I'm sorry for Tina what you come here, Tina do cow balling, you know, me kinda, you know, come Mr. Lord up, me say I hear Tina do a cow balling one night here. Tina do a cow balling. Serious nose knot and bugu when the roll is call up yonder. You see all when in thief the father money. You come, you see, hey. You better make sure so you spin your roll and pray. Tina the ball for we out here, you know. Tina the ball for we seriously out here, you know. Hey, me say, I hear Tina ball. A serious nose knot and bugu ball in them Tina. Then tell me something, you didn't know say Tina kept Tina ball, so when Tina ball, you know, Tina come out here come twang and get trouble and then Tina ball in a Jamaican. Serious when the roll is call up yonder ball. Then tell me something, I saw Tina can ball. Me not tell a lie. Me, Tina and me would have thing there. Tina the best baller. You see, if we not have no funeral, which me no wish no now we not have, but if in case Tina can go the funeral go ball. Hey, Tina can ball, she can ball. Serious when the roll is call up yonder, serious emotional ball. And none of the baby ball, Tina ball. I was on the spot when Tina is balling. Me tell you no all the while now and them I got not too enough. Me now ball up my business cause see them now I bet Tina. Listen to me tell you no so me and Tina for now not believe me, you know, me just not tell you no everything me now cannot blow the cover. But if me tell you no say Tina ball, tell me sorry for Tina. Tina ball for true. But I tell you no lie, God over me Tina ball.